James.
Dom.
Alright, so I brought the Slow Poke down. You can have a go.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Because it's pointless
really
me just flying these things all the time. I like to let other people have a go.
Yeah.
And see what they think.
Fantastic.
So the transmitter is there.
Thanks,
Pick it up and have a go.
Apologies in advance.
I'm not in those shorts. Wish I'd worn shorts today. So this is a really gentle flyer. It's good for aerobatics.
Yeah.
But it's nice and gentle. Go for it.
Lovely.
Yeah. Now don't just say that.
No, very nice. Super mellow.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. It's got enough power, isn't it? It's not mad powerful, but it's powerful enough for stooging around, loops and rolls.
Yeah, it's super mellow. I like it.
How about touch and go? Even I haven't done that. Just before the end of the patch. It floats, doesn't it?
It really does. Also, it takes me a bit of time to get used to your transmitter actually.
Ah, right.
It's just, you know, slightly different.
It just feels different.
Yeah.
God. Nearly in the rough. You could glide from there.
Yeah, I was going to say it's
power off.
Absolute bags of, you think there's nothing left and you flare and it jumps up 10 foot. That looks scarier than it was.
I made it look scary because I was zoomed all the way in. Now, do you see how tightly that turned? And that was without rudder. It really does turn sharply. Proof point, he does it again. Yeah, yeah, well it's that good. Right, you want to land?
Yep. need any power at all.
No, not from there.
Over.
Beautiful. All those touch and goes helped with the final landing, didn't they?
Cheers, Tom. Thanks for letting me have a go.
You like that?
Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. Okay, brilliant.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Another customer.